Good morning, guys. This will be the last video of the week for Friday the 24th of April. So it's going to be a relatively quick one. Here's your most recent news as of last night on the coronavirus. So our president, because every now and then we have to be reminded that we apparently live in the dumbest timeline, suggested on national television that maybe we could inject disinfectants into our bodies to, quote, clean the lungs and beat coronavirus. He also stated that virus dies quickest in sunlight, and then wondered if we could find a way to put light inside the human body. Now, if any of you are thinking to yourselves, maybe? No, 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 stop it. Lysol, one of, if not the largest maker of disinfectants and cleaning products in America, has had to put out a public statement in response to the president. The public statement is, as a global leader in health and hygiene products, we must be clear that in no circumstance should our disinfectant products be administered into the human body through injection, ingestion, or any other route. Any other route means eyeballs, ear holes, or, any other hole. Don't do it. Unfortunately, I don't have anything for the history kids today, but for the econ kids, here's a good example of how timing markets correctly or having products that are niche can change rapidly with economic situations. Zoom stock has surged toward a record and is now included in the NASDAQ 100. Keep in mind, Zoom was a relatively minor company that most people had probably never even heard of, and yet now they are an essential service for millions upon millions of people to do their jobs, and therefore are making, in technical terms, a crap ton of money. Alright, here's your entertainment suggestion or recommendation for today, guys. This game is only sort of a game. It actually has very little gameplay. It's more like a slightly interactive movie. It only takes about 80 minutes to beat, about an hour to an hour 20. So it's essentially the length of a film, and it's called A Bird Story. It is a very melancholic narrative story about a lonely child. So if you're into that kind of thing, you're thinking to yourself, coronavirus, I'm not depressed enough. This might be the game for you. And more delightfully, it's quite cheap. Alright guys, that is it for today, and I will see you on Monday.